Yo, 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 yo. What is up, Jamaica? Guys, give me here with another reaction. Today, guys, today we're with Skippa. Yeah, man, Skippa with Detox official music video. Jump around and see what I got, man. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. Wrong button. I want to press. Let's get it. Paying into art.
Oh Jesus, yeah. Oh Jesus, a bag of Hennessy, me need for detox. Reach out a bag of friend, me need for detox.
Yeah, man. Bag of Hennessy, we need for detox. Yes. Bag of enemy, bag of frenemy, we need for detox. Turn off the light. Darkness. Production team, big up yourself. Big up yourself, my G. Ready? Alright.
Oh Jesus, a bag of Hennessy, me need for detox. Reach out a bag of friend, me need for detox. I steady on the car, my summer relax. See that the 50 and I could out the feel. Got a boy, I'm a capper, I'm a done seat. Pens with the buff teeth, laptop, front seat, goon.
Wait. I don't want to get serious, you know. Wait, hold on.
One daddy badness. Yeah, oh Jesus. Yeah, oh Jesus. A bag of Hennessy, me need for detox. Reach out a bag of friend, me need for detox. Yeah, I steady on the car, my summer relax. See that the 50 and I could out the feel. Got a boy, I'm a capper, I'm a done seat. Pens with the buff teeth, laptop, front seat, goon.
And said, boy, them a capper, I'm a done seat. How a capper? How a capper, boy, yeah?
Got a boy, I'm a capper, I'm a done seat. Pens with the buff teeth, laptop, front seat, goon, head ball. And she ugly on the front teeth, she just step on the call. And I said, why I complain?
Bobo clad, goon head ball, and she ugly and on the front teeth. No, man. No. Let's continue.
Goon head ball, and she ugly on the front teeth, she just step on the call. And I said, why I complain? Jesus. Yeah. Phone call, goon and go the bank, me have to teleport her. To do the soccer match, come like I any football. We swing her down the flank and everything phone call. See it up, become a client of the hungry as fuck. Hungry as fuck. Hungry. But if you argue with a boy, become a rich already. And if you really check his stats, so fuck your bitch already.
Come in a hurry.
Why you doing so?
Me not fi argue with a boy become a rich already. I'm a fuck your bitch already. Oh! Wait! I wonder if I go draw for my mask. I wonder if a war I go start. Cause we see, yeah, make a call name, make a blood clot call name away. I don't care. Yeah, I don't care. A war we want. We see Malidan drop back to basics right there. And we see him shade Skippa. Well, him go direct because he mentioned chain, but talk chain. So, with the yes or no, and the man say, yo, like what you said, G? Like what? And me just say this. If them two artists go at it, me no mind, cause I told my artists them. I told my G them. Yeah. I told my G them, man.
Oh Jesus. Bag of Hennessy, me need for detox.
Yeah.
Shut a bag of friend, me need for detox. Yeah. I steady on the car, my summer relax. See that the 50 and I could out the feel. Got a boy, I'm a capper, I'm a done seat. Pens with the buff teeth, laptop, front seat, goon head ball. And she ugly on the front teeth, she just step on the call. And I said, why I complain?
Complete.
Yeah. Phone call, goon and go the bank, me have to teleport her.
Yeah.
To do the soccer match, come like I any football. We swing her down the flank and everything phone call. See it up, become a client of the hungry as fuck. Hungry as fuck. Hungry. But if you argue with a boy, become a rich already. And if you really check his stats, so fuck your bitch already. Dance all me menace, me don't know how to credit. Me hear your little new song, it's like a drop already.
Me hear your little new song, it's like a drop already. Wait!
But if you argue with a boy, become a rich already.
Hey!
Hungry. But if you argue with a boy, become a rich already. if you really check his stats, me fuck your bitch already.
Nah, if you argue with that boy, become rich already. And if you really check his stats, me fuck your bitch already. Me fuck your bitch already and me use condom. You know why me use condom? Because anything over food side, anything can go on. So guess what? Me I protect myself. Alright, you know, say I them something. I said it. I'm sorry.
Now if you argue with that boy, become rich already. And if you really check his stats, me fuck your bitch already. Dance all me a menace, me even wanna credit. Me hear your little new song, it's like a drop already.
Man said dance all new menace. Me not forget. Not give me no credit, brother. Me hear your little new song, it drop already.
Dance all me a menace, me even wanna credit. Me hear your little new song, it's like a drop already. New song, same flow, you need to change gear. Take a chain off the ground, but even don't care.
Come in a Farid.
So, make we reason. Make we blood clot reason. Hey, the chain will drop on the ground and you pick up and talk about pop chain, Mali. What kind of pop chain you talk about, dog? A cap or not cap? That's how the G said, not me. That's how the G said, not me. He must say, not cap. Chain drop on ground and take up chain and talk about Ray. Huh? And post chain for media, huh? Furthermore, all your song them sound the same. All of your song them sound the same. How Skippa says something on me. Like it drop already. Oh, so I must say, me hear your little new song, it like it drop already. So, even before you drop a song, we know where you're forward with. Because the way them sound the same. That's how I must write us a blood clot. Hey!
Me hear your little new song, it's like a drop already. New song, same flow, you need to change gear. Take a chain off the ground, but even don't care.
You see the you man say stuck in a one gear. You need to change gear, Mali. Mali, him say you need to change gear. Take a chain off of the ground with even 2 care, brother. Go on with the little chain we take off of the ground, bro. Me still have my granny picture. So me can put that back on that chain. What you say?
Take a chain off of the ground, but even don't care.
This direct. This blood clot direct, so I can't call Malidan name. Malidan, you the man attack. Malidan, you are. Malidan, him say, him no like you. Him say no like you, Malidan. Him say no like you. Me I say it. Him say no like you. I know me says Skippa says so. Big up myself, Skippa. Big up myself, Mali. I'm two artists. Them ready? Huh?
Need to change gear. Take a chain off the ground, but even don't care.
Man say me do the knife fraud. When me did the knife fraud, pussy you sing and put in falls here. The man say falls here, Malidan.
Said the Rolex and look bad. Me used to try the Porsche shocking on my book back. I know my press it and I look back. Me treat it like
man say me drive with the Porsche truck in my book bag.
me used to try the Porsche shocking on my book back. I know my press it and I look back. Me treat it like a foot crap. Louis V box. A bag of anything me need for detox. Real chat a bag of friend me need for detach. I steady on the crime so me relax. See that the 50 and I could only feel. I'm a gap on me done see Benz with the buff teeth laptop. Then see go net ball and she ugly on the front teeth. She just up on the call and I said the wire complete. Me kinda dark why you feel me say night time. I really too talk how you know me no like smile. Love it dirty fraud. I'm a heart, I'm a lifeline. Couldn't take a charge. I just have to do the right time. And again dog, oh God, me feel great. Jump on a phone call and time and feel scared. Dumping on my palm and can't go escape. Press it be my hardly use break. The walls call them just a whole fate. Fry pull down about 2.8. Remember when I found me now I love dance tape. Pussy know me prefer scamming over any dub plate.
Remember when I farming now a lobster and steak pussy, me prefer scamming over any dub plate. Can I say I was scamming pay much more than a dub plate? Because all I saw man them want them dub plate as Skippa say nah give them cause I scamming him say.
Remember when I found me now I love dance tape. Pussy know me prefer scamming over any dub plate. Let's fly fast. Pussy right fast. Love scammer man. Charging
God the beats, big up. Bumbleclot. Bankrola. You know, say the reaction can't done until you hear Bankrola. Yo! Mali, a long time you had troll. Long time you had troll him. Long time you says, yeah, said this and I said that. And man finally deserve the answer. Man say fast years. Man say you sing up you sing and put in fast here. Man say look at chain on the ground you can go on with it cause yeah I want to that. Man say let's song them sound the same. Yeah. Man say him hear your new song already and they even drop it. Cause them sound the same, he can predict what you go say. Big word man, prediction. Why? Hold on. We want a war though. Yes, Malidan I got answer. We know what that I got answer. Bumbleclot. Let me know the thing about down in the comment section. I'll be down there. I will be down there. Body. At night time. Yeah.